All right, one more thing, and then you're going to get to do some independent practice. So here's another coordinate plane. It already has some spots on it. School, town hall, and the museum. We're going to follow the directions, and we're going to plot some extra points on our coordinate grid. It says the coordinate plane shows the locations of buildings in Max's town. From the school, so let's look at the school, Max walks 3 units to the right and then 5 units up to the park. Then he walks to the library, which is located at the point 1-7. 1,7. It says graph and label the points to show the locations of the park and the library. Write the ordered pair for the park. So let's first figure out where the park is located. So where is he starting? Is he starting at the origin? No, he's starting at school. So I'm looking at school, okay? And I'm going to kind of put my little drawing tool on school. Max walks 3 units to the right. So remember before when I was talking about units, every time I go like one square, I'm calling that a unit. So 1, 2, 3. 3 units to the right and then 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, that is labeled the park. Okay, so I'm going to write the coordinates ordered pair for the park. So let's take a look. We do our x-axis first, and then we do our y-axis. So I'm going to go over to 5, and then I'm going to go up to 7. So the the ordered pair for the park is 5, 7. So then we have to label the library. They told us what the points were for the library. The points were 1, 7. So I'm going to go over 1 and I'm going to go up 7. And right there, I'm going to label the library. So the library is 1, 7. Because then he goes from the park and then he travels to the library. So how many units, looking at our second bullet point, how many units does Max walk in all? So every time we jump from one square to another, we're going to count that as a unit. So I'm going to change the color of my pen. I kind of want to make it a little bit fatter. Okay, so let's look. He walked 1, 2, 3, and then he went up 5. So what's 3 plus 5? 8. And then he went from the park to the library. So how many units is it from the park to the library? Let's count on from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So he traveled 12 units total. So 12 units would be our answer.